What's going on, everybody? In this video today, we are going to show you how you can add affiliates manually to your campaigns. All right, so first you want to hover over to marketing on the left and then go to the affiliate manager on the top and click on affiliate. That brings you to this page. You want to hit add new affiliate. You want to type their email address, their first name and last name, their company name, and then assign them to a specific campaign. Maybe you have several campaigns going. We have one demo campaign going, so we select that one and then we hit save and continue to add more details. Then on the additional info page, you can also insert their website, their phone number, then maybe their company phone number if they have one, their VAT ID, the country where they're located, the address, maybe an avatar image, and then the W8 or W9 form if needed. Down here on social links, you can also add their social media contacts. And if you click on advanced settings, you can modify their referral ID. So let's say we want to say Tina Damen 123, we can do that. Okay, then you hit done. Now you've created your magic link, which you can take and send to your client so they can log into the affiliate portal and then they can see how many customers they've referred, how many canceled, how many have paid, and so on and so forth. Just a bonus tip, you can also upload CSV files and add affiliates this way. If you are moving from another software like First Promoter or something similar like that, you just hit add, upload the CSV file, drag and drop it here, click next, and then it imports the affiliates into your affiliate manager. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I will see you on the other side.